To load a MetaMask wallet, first ensure you have the MetaMask browser extension installed. If you don't have it, go to the MetaMask website and click on Add to Browser. Then follow the prompts to install it. Once installed, click on the MetaMask icon in your browser toolbar. Then click on Get Started. You will be given the option to either create a new wallet or import an existing one using a seed phrase. To load an existing wallet, select Import Wallet. You will then be prompted to enter your seed phrase, which is a list of words that was given to you when you first created your wallet. Enter the words in the correct order, separated by spaces. After entering your seed phrase, you will be asked to create a new password for your wallet. Choose a strong and unique password that you haven't used before, and make sure to store it in a safe place. Once you have entered your seed phrase and created a new password, click on Restore to load your wallet. Your wallet will now be loaded and you will be able to view your account balance and transaction history. It is essential to keep your seed phrase and password safe and secure, as they are the keys to accessing your wallet and its contents. Never share your seed phrase or password with anyone, and store them in a safe and secure location, such as a hardware wallet or a secure note-taking app. By following these steps, you can easily load your MetaMask wallet and start using it to interact with decentralized applications and manage your cryptocurrency holdings.